Yeah. Round two is going to be this one. This is also for that 91-92 Cavalier. Needs key for it. What I'm going to do here, I think, is just write down the numbers for it, write down the depths for that key, I think. I don't think I'm going to cut it right now. I'll cut it later. But yeah. This is going to be next. This is actually, that rubber on there, usually they're so brittle. This feels like it's, well, brand new secondhand almost. Uh-oh. Sounds like someone's coming here. See if this will do the job. This angled needle nose. If it does. Oh, can't grab it. Used to be able to grab them with this. Not anymore. Ground them down too much. Way too much. Like a smidgen. Okay, so other than that, grab a different pair of something. See if this will do the job. Fudge, come on. Can't grab it either. Vice grips. Oh. Yeah. It got it. The old vice grips. So I'm going to put all that together. Make sure I don't lose it all. Now this cap here. I don't have black ones, so I only have a chrome one. The car is white. You know, I don't know if it's really going to make a difference. I don't think he'll complain. Because he had other locksmiths go out there to look at the car. Probably charged him an arm and a leg because it was about 90 kilometers from where I am. So guys around here like to charge up the yin yang going out of town. I hope he didn't. But he was that type of company that would. So that's out. Now, I'm going to pick this. It's picked. I'm gonna clean that out a bit. She's picked. Well, you can see right down there, can't you? Wow. You see? Yeah, you can see. Perfect. So, these two, I'm going to go 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2. 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. 5, 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. I wonder if I got the depth keys here. If I have depth keys, I'll cut it. I don't see them. Nope. I might have stashed them elsewhere. So, I have the cuts for it anyway. I don't really care. I can, when I go grab my computer and stuff, I'll come back and, what do you call it? This is like Saturday morning, I think. July 5th. I'm just messing around out here. Figured I'd make a video of this while it was nice and quiet and cool out. I don't think it's 9 o'clock yet. Might be. But But that and that are done. I gotta cut slots into here. These 2 screws. Cut that key, and then I'm done. And this is what, H keyway. GMH. So I'll go grab the computer and stuff, have breakfast, maybe, and you know, wander back out here. See you in a bit.